Yo guys, what's up? Nandito ako ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 3. At ayun, excuse me, flight na natin papuntang US. Yes. Okay. Check-in na. Check-in. Alright.
Check-in mo na kayo.
Oh. Oh. Boarding begins. Dami oh. Manila to San Francisco. San Francisco to Denver. Denver to Newark. Newark to Jules. Jules Washington ba to? Or ano? Jules to Portland, Maine. Ang dami.
Are you ready?
Ay, mano na.
Tama.
Ano mo ah?
Press your call light button. It's a black box that has for charges. Thank you.
Ay na. Take off na. Dito tayo lalanding SFO and SFO. CR muna tayo. Mahaba-haba ang biyahe. So guys, next month siya mo. Lunch na tayo. May lunch tayo.
Put it on the tray. Now we're gonna get. It didn't say put the tray. Take a seat. I said, so
Let's go. Let's eat. Tamang tulog na. Tamang beer tayo. Beer. Kain na ulit. At malapit na tayo. 1 hour and 22 minutes na lang.
do you want
Ayun guys, palanding na kami. Nalalapit na ako. San Francisco. Alright.
In continuation to your other United Star Alliance destinations, ensure
Just
that you
landed.
go through customs and recheck your bags.
Yes,
And you'll
landed
see-
San Francisco.
Customer service representative.
San Po. Next flight. San Po to Denver. Haba pa. Waiting na tayo sa luggage, tapos i-check-in ulit. Tapos straight na sa main. Let's go. Denver ang next flight natin to Denver. Denver na. Denver Airport. Epic na nangyari kanina. Muntik na maiwan ng aeroplano kanina eh. As in last minute, pasara na yung pinto ng aeroplano. Doon sa Sanfo, SFO. Sobrang layo kasi ng terminal eh. Ayun, buti nakaabot. Dito na tayo sa Denver Airport. Thank you, Lord. Pagod na. Bro. Let's look for some food to eat. SB. So ayoko eh. Gusto kong kanin. Kahanap tayo. 4 hours yung layover natin dito. 4 hours. Denver. Parang mall yung airport dito eh. Ayan ah. Uy, may McDo. McDo na lang kaya. Ayun guys, bumili ako sa Shake Shack. Tapos bumili akong cones. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Pero goods. Alright. Shake Shack sa US. Ayun na. Hi guys, ilibot muna tayo dito sa Newmark, New Jersey. May New Jersey Airport pala. New Jersey main tuloy. Mamaya pa yung main final destination natin yan, which is andun yung Cliff House. Anong oras na dito eh? Mga 1 AM na. Kaya wala masyadong tao. Gugutom din ako. Tapos ano tayo kakain? Sarado SB. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, lokal tayo dito. Tayo lang yung naka t-shirt. At sila naka long sleeve po kasi malamig eh. Ayun. Diba? Sa akin wala. Basic. Trip lang. Kain muna tayo guys. Ito lang ang bukas eh. Dunkin. May kikwento lang ako sa inyo guys. Kanina pala doon sa Dunkin, tinanong ako kung Spanish ako. Kasi parang may bumibiling Spanish na customer. Tapos yung cashier parang Spanish din. Tinanong ako kung Spanish daw ako. Sabi ko, no, I'm Filipino. Pero may lahi tayong Spanish kasi Reyes tayo eh. Gracias. Guys, nakapagpahinga na. At tamang waiting tayo ng flight natin sa Jules, Washington. Sobrang pagod na yun. Ngaling pa ako. Yun, malapit-lapit na. Ilang hours na lang. Let's go. Hi guys. Boarding na kami. Pa Washington, Dulles. Last layover na yun, and then Portland, Maine na. May nagpalit na rin ako ng hoodie oh. Ang 2 araw ko na ata yung Rich Boys. Dito na tayo sa Washington, Dulles. And next stop, Maine na. Final destination, Docas. Ayos yung airport dito, parang classic airport, old school. And magsha-shuttle kami dito papuntang gate A. Yes. waiting na agad for boarding. Portland, Maine na to. Last destination. Lamig dito, shit! Oh! Guys, nandito na tayo sa airplane and papunta na tayo Portland, Maine. Grabe sa labas. Sobrang lamig na. Washington pa lang to ah. Paano kung Portland, Maine na? After ng Portland, Maine, sasunduin tayo ng shuttle papuntang Cape Neddick dun sa Cliff House. And guys, dito na tayo sa Portland, Maine. Grabe, ang lamig.
Exit only. Welcome to Portland, Maine. This is an exit only. Do not stop. This is an exit only. Do not stop.
Ayos. Ayun yung labas. Ayun yung labas, guys. Okay. White na Volvo yung susundo. Lamig. Grabe lamig. Volvo. Ayan na yung sundo. Ayan yung sundo. Yeah. Let's go. We are at Maine.
Yeah, that's silly. You should only get 2 phones.
Yeah. It's very cold.
Oh, well, you missed the snow. We got it last week, but we have all winter to get more. So,
Okay.
are you guys in school? Graduated.
Graduated.
You already graduated?
Yes.
Nice. What's your majors?
Tourism management.
What is it?
Tourism management.
In yours? Same. You have your code, right, to get in the door at your house. Okay. And you got your room number.
So beautiful. Dito na Cliff House, Maine.
It's got to be tide-free and gentle.
Make every gathering magical with savings on holiday must-haves from Whole Foods Market.
Cliff House.
Save 30% on all spiral cut bone and ham with Prime through December.
So many guests right now.
Not too many. They're starting to come in today.
Yeah.
Because we're closed Tuesday, Wednesdays, but we still work even though we're closed. There's just no guests. They're going to start coming in this afternoon.
All right.
We open again at 12 today, so we're open now. So the guests will be coming.
Yes. Thank you. So guys, dito muna tayo i-stay habang naghahanap pa ng apartment. Hey, nice view. Guys, look at the view. Andito ako ngayon sa labas. Tignan nyo naman. Oh. Wait lang. Oh. Oh. Tapos sobrang lamig, di ba? Damn.